Hey everybody, Waddy here. This video I want to share some of my things that I use for packing, in this case backpacks. My last video I talked about how I added this guy right here, this Osprey tumbleweed waist pack that fit really nice and comfy around my waist, and it carries a lot of stuff. This video I want to talk about what I've been using for the last few years. I've been using this guy. It's basically a Tumi. This is Alpha Bravo or something backpack, and notice it's not embossed. I stopped embossing things because sometimes I want to sell them. But I have quite a few Tumis, and I've gotten rid of quite a few Tumis. This is extremely heavy duty, extremely well made. Pockets for your laptop, my iPad, which is what I use. One thing I didn't like about this was the shape of the backpack straps, but it's got, you know, places for your carabiners, and nice and padded, pass through, plenty of pockets up front. Really good bag. I've used it a lot. It's heavy, kind of rigid. The thing that bothered me most about this bag was it's not that deep. So these are just some packing cubes I just use for reference sake. I just put towels in them. I could get probably 1 or 2 in here, and that's kind of tight. And those aren't even packed really full. And yeah, that's pushing it. And then I'll get a small one in here. I mean, you can stuff a few more things in here, but you can see how this guy is. It's pretty tight and full. But I've been using this for a while, and you know, a nice expensive item, and we always want to work smarter, not harder, because you know what they say, as we get to the end of our life and we want to enjoy things. So this is what I've been using. Now, I really got to just enjoy what I was seeing from Osprey, and oh well, guess what? I did it. I got the Osprey, that's the back side, the Osprey 26+6 expandable. I should have left the Tumi up here. And I'm starting to feel like the guy on the Geico TV commercial, or whatever that is, commercial. I've got the matching, I know that's so corny, not gonna match. But anyway, yeah, so I got this guy. Let's compare it real quick. So compared to the Tumi, they're just about the same size, except this one is considerably lighter and will expand quite a bit more. And you know, one thing about the Tumi was always cool, jetting through the airport, you know, you got the Tumi slung on your backpack, and you know, you're chilling, you got your Tumi cool. Yeah, I got Tumi, baby. Again, made with sustainable products, flexible capacity, daylight. You could say you can use this for a day bag. I have actually another bag I'm putting here, but it's got a nice front pocket, and again, the zipper pulls. Good pocket there. You can put 3 pins and battery and maybe your phone. A lot of good storage there. Deep storage there. Place for your keys. Still got the tags on here. Yeah, she just arrived. I'm starting to turn into a luggage geek. Place for your laptop. Laptop pocket inside of there, laptop or iPad, and luggage pass through on the back. Now these are your straps for your pulls your straps together. I like this because I can adjust the height where it rides on my back, and then I can attach my camera there. The straps have lost another light. The straps have a pass through there where air can circulate, and even on the back there's got holes in there so air can circulate and it won't make your back all funky and sweaty. So this opens up like a top-loading suitcase. Now, I ran out of space with the Tumi here, and these are kind of lightly loaded packing cubes with just some towels. So that's one good full packing cube there. I have another large. These are 2-sided packing cubes, as some people call them, clean and a dirty side, so I have a whole nother side. These are just for demonstration purposes, so solely. Got that one there. Another packing cube here. Also, my day backpack. That's my daytime carry backpack. And let's put another jacket there. And that closes pretty good. Let's just see how that closes up for us. Yeah. And looks pretty good. Nice and solid. Not too thick, about as thick as the Tumi. And if I wanted to, I could compress it a little bit more. And just for the fun of it, I'm going kind of fast here. I don't want to do too long of a video. So for the fun of it, let's just add another packing cube and just kind of smash it down. See will it close? Yes, it will. Now we're going to kind of stop right there. So it closed up quite nice. You've got your side carry here, so you can carry it like a normal piece of luggage. You've got a lift here, which kind of helps you lift it. Now, we're not totally completely done because this is expandable. We have an expansion that we can do here, which gives us a whole lot of room. Yeah, and that's what's really cool about this. Now, we have a whole lot more space. We could probably add another full-size packing cube. I'm going to throw my camera case in here. And of course, you've got this other side. You could put some other items in like sandals and whatnot. And let's give her another close. She closes a whole lot easier with a lot of space to spare. And you've got your side pockets for your, that fits really tight. Get a hand way down in there for your water bottle. Cool thing about this bag is also it will take my entire tripod. It'll take my entire full-length tripod. So I've got probably enough clothes in here for a good week or so. And I believe in doing laundry. There's no clothes in here right now, of course, it's just towels. But again, I could open it up and I'm quite sure I could get the little brother in here with no problem. This is really cool, and there's no way possible I would be able to get this in my Tumi, and I still have quite a bit of space here to play with, which is, I mean, you know, it's still quite malleable, impressive. And again, I guess if I wanted to, I could even compress this guy right back down. Some more. So I am more than stoked. And again, it's got that nice color. Yeah, I compressed it down with just the zipper. And no doubt I could probably smush it down some more. You know, again, you don't want to go too heavy because that's the whole point, not to be heavy. Nice straps, and for the price, this guy is $100. And man, I'm really cool with it. This is cool. I mean, I love the Tumi. I love the Tumi look. I've got my luggage pass through, so it goes on my luggage. And I don't have to worry about looking for my bag. Oh, there's a black one. Oh, there's another black one. Oh, nope. I've got the nice tumbleweed. So this is the Osprey 26+6. The material is extremely strong. The bottom is a little heavier than the top, so you don't have to worry about dropping it on the ground. Osprey 26+6. Thanks for watching. If you're getting good information here, do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. While you're here, we'll see you next time. Let's get one of these. Here you go.